Alright, so we're here at Sirak Airport. We're waiting for the Makali.
Oh, I see Navea! I see Navea!
Welcome to Seoul. Hello, bro.
How you doing?
Good, good. Hey, what's up, good?
Hey, where's the bathroom? Nice to see you.
Our bathroom is right there.
back.
Josh, ang lawa ka gitog no ana. Alright, so we're here.
Hey guys, welcome back to Ian and Ode vlogs. We're here at the Kerry Park and we are basically just taking photos and looking at the view.
Okay, picture that place. Picture that place. I want to picture that place.
A picture. Yeah. Doing support.
Some more, some more, some more.
Some more, please. Some more, please.
It hurts you. Okay.
It hurt my finger.
Oh, I kiss.
Alright, we're here at Kerry Park 2018.
Hi, Kerry Park.
Oh, my hands.
Today, January 18th. We're with Josh. Here, Josh, say hi. Hi.
You're
Hi,
hot?
everyone.
I want to hold
You wanna hold it? Don't drop it, okay? Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Don't drop it, huh?
Two hands.
And then you talk.
You talk.
Say, hey guys, my name is Josh.
So we're here at Fremont Troll on a Fremont Bridge. Right there.
To the zoo.
Wow, Lion King! I have a high ground now before, so.
Who's that? That's a lion. Oh no, it's not.
It's a fake one.
Oh, that's a fake one.
Hi, Wyatt.
My name is Josh. Okay, my name is Josh.
My name is Josh.
How about you can eat me?
Are you hungry?
You can eat me.
Josh, what did you see? Monkey.
Alright, you ready to eat?
Josh, say hello.
Wow.
Hey.
He's hungry. Chup on orangutan.
He's praying.
Hey, orangutan.
You know why them?
Whale.
Whale?
Look at his hands, Ate.
Look his shirt.
He's sure. You know he has lumping, you know.
Yeah, come look at us.
Josh, don't scream.
Hello.
Oh?
He's mad now. Go. Don't spit on your jacket again.
Well, he has a tag. Is that a duck?
What that mean looking bird is doing. The bird looks kind of angry.
Wonder
kuya.
Hey, Josh! Hi! Josh! Welcome to the magic door.
He said magic stairs.
Oh, magic stairs now? Go ask Ate money first.
I want credit.
Credit though.
Help me.
Good morning.
Good night.
Oh, I'm back again. Then we're gonna go to Leavenworth. Right now we're passing Snoqualmie Pass, and here's our driver. And then here's everyone in the back seat. You're wondering where everyone else is? They're in the other car behind us. And we're gonna go see reindeer. So see
We call it our treehouse pen, and there's 4 in that pen today. The girls that are pregnant, we think we have 5, maybe 6 pregnant reindeers, start to get real testy this time of year. They're starting to sharpen up their antlers and get ready for their babies that'll be born here in the spring. So you can feed them through the fence. We just separated them for safety. So when the kids are feeding, make sure you protect their eyes. Those antlers come right down at their little face, so just hold your hands in front of these little ones' eyes when they feed. And just don't grab the antlers. We want the reindeer to know antlers don't touch people, so people don't touch antlers. If you want to touch them, do it real quickly on their hind end. Don't reach out at their face or neck because your hand is like an antler. So the entire time you're out here, just remember when you're not feeding, now your hand turns into an antler in their eyes. So if you reach out at them, they could throw their head. So it's best just to keep your hands down. Kids easily forget that, so parents just really be tuned in to where your kids' hands are. They're reaching out to them. Miss Jen, she's super sweet. How are you guys? Good to see you again. Yeah, you can feed them in the cup or you can put them in your hands. Sometimes if they smell hand sanitizer.
Buddy. Nobody. Nobody. Don't look at them.
Hi!
Nahadlok si Tijuna.
Manggawas ta.
No more, buddy. No more. No more.
Calm down, yes. Calm down.
No.
Okay, just leave it. Take it out.
Hey, Josh. Where's the reindeer? Oh, Ems.
No more. No comment, he said.
No comment said. So we're here at Reindeer Farm, Leavenworth. 15 bucks. 15 bucks, 30 minutes. Just to see the reindeer. But it's cool.
Cold.
Hey, chicken. Oh, no.
Chicken.
That was a chicken. Your mommy is right there. So much. It was so fun, okay?
Oh, this is my jam. It was so sad. It's not to die anymore. I cannot breathe. It's so tiring. Come on, guys.
All right. So this Leavenworth Reindeer Farm is nearby downtown Leavenworth, or you know, it's just 5 minutes drive. So just Google Maps it, Leavenworth Reindeer Farm.
And we said that already, and it's dripping on us. But behind Odyssey is a backyard barbarian. I have one glove.
Yeah, it's cold.
It's
about
cold.
like 38 degrees.
It's not snowing, it's not raining, it's good, okay? But it's already snow since last night. Welcome to my backyard. You know, my backyard. All of these people are my animals. Oh, look at the animals over there. We're gonna go sushi race, sushi. Okay, bye.
But he still don't know. It's after this and I'm gone. You're still moving in line, but the silence has to return. From forming of us ahead of time. Going along, I'm deaf and blind. You still don't know. It's time to listen, I'm gone, yeah. So pull the car seat down in line. So go along with ourselves. So rolling down the riptide and it rolls. But you went through it, and all of you will still remain. Now that you come through it, now that you still feel the same. He's coming out what he's found. Don't hesitate and don't doubt now. So much of a past lost and found, and you the same. Hey. Oh, so many calls on your phone decline. Speaking it over, yeah, you feelings of all of it lost.
How's your day? There's Mount Rainier.
Mount Rainier.
Mount Rainier.
Crystal Mountain.
How can people do that?
I know, right?
Scary.
You would still remain. How do you come to it? But he still don't know. It's time to listen, I'm gone. You're still moving in line, but the silence has to return. Forming of us ahead of time. Going along, I'm deaf and blind. You still don't know. It's time to listen, I'm gone, yeah.
Go roll. Go to the top in here.
Huh?
Go on top. No, you push yourself.